Hi, my name is Gopal Uppalapati. I'm a third-year Automotive and Vehicle Engineering Technology student within the Faculty of Engineering, and this is how I put it into practice. In May of 2023, I took on a 3-month adventure to eastern Uganda with Engineers Without Borders, Canada, on the Canada-Africa Innovation Fellowship. So Engineers Without Borders is a non-profit organization that focuses on gathering engineers and being able to use their collective expertise and knowledge to tackle on problems throughout the world. The purpose of my visit was to take on the Canada-Africa Innovation Fellowship, in which we were partnered with 5 other Canadian fellows and 8 other Ugandan fellows, and we were paired in groups to tackle on 4 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, the 4 of them being clean energy, clean water, food insecurity, and healthcare. The community received us very, very well. It was a very hospitable experience being with them. They welcomed us on the first day with a very big musical celebration full of dancing, singing, music, food, and opening remarks. And it was honestly one of the best experiences of my life. So we found out that in terms of food security, the Ugandan farmers were facing a reduction in crop yield because of climate change and its effects on rainfall. Because they are having less rainfall in the rainy season, it turned their plowing portion of the rainy season, which was normally about 4 weeks, into half that. So they were working on half the time they normally have. And because of this, they weren't able to cultivate their entire field, and that caused them to have less crop yield, which in turn means they make less money when it turns into harvesting season. My team and I, we took on the challenge of finding a solution for this problem, and we found out that there's a lot of motorcycles. It's a huge culture over there to have a lot of motorcycles, especially for taxi services. And most families already have an existing ox plow. The problem was waiting for the oxen because they don't have enough money normally to afford the oxen. And so what we decided to do was try to create a small contraption that attaches the already existing ox plow to the back of the abundance of motorcycles that already exist in that part of Africa. Professionally, I feel as if that I have now more to offer to the job market, I guess. I was able to gain a lot of skills and work on skills I already had in terms of CAD, engineering, business skills, things like making pitch decks and presentations, being able to find target audiences, target markets, etc. And having this on my resume also turns into a talking point during interviews and such, which is really nice. Personally, I feel as if I've gained a lot of friends and almost a second family. The host family that I was a part of was very hospitable, generous, and super, super kind. And the friends I've made along the journey, I still keep in touch with regularly. The other fellows, we talk every now and then, try to make plans as well to see each other. It was an amazing experience. Apart from that, personally, I feel as if that I have gained a sense of being more appreciated for the things I have, the things that we take for granted every day that are available to us so easily. They may seem exotic and almost unattainable to the people over there, and it puts you in a perspective to really be appreciated for what you have and think about others when you're doing something regular to yourself. I feel as if in terms of social impact and engineering, it will increase and it'll be more popularized in a way. Engineers definitely should take on more of these initiatives and focus on these less focused on issues. The future of engineering in the context of social impact, I think, will definitely bring more positive social impact to the world, especially if engineers are more open to doing these kind of initiatives and tackling these kind of challenges. I think engineers should definitely be more open to these kind of experiences, as it is said that engineers make the world a better place, but I feel as if that only a portion of the world is honestly being a better place, and places like where I was at is being neglected by the people who can actually make a change. And by focusing on more of these places and these communities, it can foster more change and actually get the focus they need on the problems that they're facing on a daily basis. I think one of the most fondest memories I had was a safari I went on, and being in that moment with Africa by Toto in the background, me and my friends standing up in our open roof safari van, having the breeze flow through our hair, looking at deer grazing, elephants, giraffes. It's a moment like no other, and it's something that I will cherish for the rest of my life. And in that moment, I didn't didn't want to be anywhere else. It was one of the greatest feelings ever. And in a time where happiness is scarce, it was something that truly made me happy to the core.